this article from Industry 4.0, digital manufacturing, to Industry 5.0, digital society, there is an identification of sustainability functions of Industry 4.0. It lights on the following 9 functions of Industry 4.0. First one is the business risk monitoring and management. Second one is the circular smart products. Third one is the human-centered technology development. Fourth one is the operational and resource efficiency. Next point,
the author discusses about process automation and integration. Then he also discusses about real-time communication, supply chain anti-fragility, then sustainable business model.
From application perspective, these papers encourage students to critically evaluate its impact, and also it develop transformation framework for organization to help the transition from Industry 4.0 to Industry 5.0.
The long article is one of the important one, which mention 2 key findings or takeaways from this article. Industry 4.0 mixed sustainability outcomes are given, and second one, leveraging Industry 4.0 to fulfill Industry 5.0 goals. Thank you.
What is the core theme of this article? Industry 4.0 has positively impacted economic and environmental sustainability, mainly at the organizational and supply chain levels.
Second point, the mention the key finding for this article. The study of identifies the 9 sustainability function Industry 4.0 that supported to the Industry 5.0.
The insights from the article to be applied in teaching research industry is the implementation of Industry 5.0 and the limitation that are covered in the article to the availability of the resources and the problem-based learning through multidisciplinary research.
Yes, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Mainly in this study, the 2 primary objectives is the identified knowledge gap. The first objective is to comprehensively grasp the unprecedented emergence of the Industry 5.0 into potential connection with the corporate and societal impact of Industry 4.0. And the second objective is to pinpoint the sustainability mechanism within the Industry 4.0 that have demonstrated the real-world vulnerability, subsequently exploring the possibility of the evolution. These mechanisms to align the corporate digital transformation with the socio-environmental values out to the Industry 4.0.
So good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss the research paper based on the Industry 4.0, digital manufacturing and Industry 5.0. So basically here author wants to create a roadmap for a better conversion of Industry 4.0 to Industry 5.0. So here it presents in his paper, it presents a novelty approach that it determines how and in what order the Industry 4.0 sustainable functions into leverage to toward the sustainable developments in the Industry 5.0. So in this way, the author wants to make a roadmap. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Actually, the paper from the Industry 4.0 manufacturing Industry 5.0 digital society is a roadmap towards the system. It implicates that whatever the drawbacks we are having or whatever the opportunities we are having in Industry 4.0 could be achieved with respect to the Industry 5.0. So specifically in this one, the titles or the segments which are correlated with the Industry 4.0 having some limitations, or there are some opportunities with respect to enhance the outcomes within the industry, as well as what we can say the HFISM techniques are used to implement some of the features that could optimize the socio interference or governance or the productivity of the industries, which could be achievable with the help of 5.1 and its features, like the productivity enhancement and the control over the productivity, which with respect to not to harm the prior what we can say, the alignments or priorities of the 4.0. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Industry 4.0 focused on digital manufacturing, smart factories, IoT, AI, automation, real data-driven efficiency. Then Industry 5.0 brings put human back at the center, production system, human centric. After that, sustainable production, consider environmental impact, circular economy, and resources efficiency.
This study emphasizes the importance of collective governance and regulation to prioritize socio-environmental goals. The novel HFISM approach developed in this study identifies distinct scenarios.
It focused on digitalization, automation, and data integration, which increased efficiency, productivity, and flexibility.
So there are some limitations in Industry 4, prioritize technology over people and leading to concern about job displacement, lack a strong sustainability and ethical framework. Often it did not consider resilience to crises like pandemics or climate change disruptions.
The shift to Industry 5.0 introduced by European Commission and to Industry 4.0 not a replacement, emphasize human-centric design, people are empowered, not a replace, sustainability, environmental and social responsibility as a key principles, and resilience, system capable of adapting to disruption.
To summarize or to conclude, the concept, the paper has seen this study provides a timely and insightful roadmap of transition from Industry 4.0 to 5.0, emphasizing the need of more human-centric, sustainable and resilient industrial paradigm, which while Industry 4.0 brought significant economics and environmental benefits, it often fell short in addressing social and macro level sustainability. This research highlights that Industry 4.0 is not a rejection for 4.0, but a necessary revolution, one that can align technologically progress with social well-being and long-term sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you.
हे पाहिजे का?
Okay, so in this article, basically it represents the gap between Industry 4.0 and 5.0. And so in this study emphasizes importance of the collective governance to regulation to prioritize socio-environmental goals along with the industrial productivity. As well as this research has been made, it has certain limitations as well. Thank you.
This article explored the transformation from Industry 4.0 to 5.0. The work focuses on leveraging the Industry 4.0 existing technologies, function in structured and strategic manner to fulfill the goal of Industry 5.0.
This study offers practical scenarios and insights of aligning Industry 5.0 with broader economical, social and environmental sustainability goals.